You've known it for a long time that online reality is not always what it seems to be. On the internet, nobody knows you're a dog. Right now, you probably don't even know who I am. Do I really look the way I look? Am I really saying what you hear? Or is it all a lie? A deep lie? A so-called deepfake?
Θέλω να μου πείτε από πού πιστεύετε ότι μπορεί να είναι το παιδάκι της φωτογραφίας.
Serious?
Αλβανία.
Υπολογίζετε περίπου τι ηλικίας είναι?
7-8.
7-8.
Είναι...
Εμένα φαίνεται μου μελαγχολικό. Παρόλο που χαμόγελα.
Man fēnu χαρούμενος.
Και εμένα μου φαίνεται χαρούμενο.
Izskatās, ka viņš nav īsts.
Bet jūs spiedāt uz to, kas ir īsts, ja?
Jā. Jā.
Nu, kā jums šķiet, kur jūs studējaties?
Es īsti nezinu. Es skatījos video par tādu neirotiku, un tur reāli viņš sataisa tādas sejas, kuras nevar atšķirt no reāliem. Es pat nezinu, kur es varēju to nokļūdīt.
We're entering an era in which our enemies can make it look like anyone is saying anything at any point in time, even if they would never say those things.
To help families refinance their homes, to invest in things like high-tech manufacturing.
Man atrodo, kad šitas, kur kampe čia yra tikras, va šitas, nes pas jį labai juda lūpos, nes šitie tai nepataiko visiškai, man atrodo.
Man tai kaip tik atrodo šitas gyvybingas, o šito judesiai nesueina, o šito lūpas, pavyzdžiui, nepataiko į ritmą.
Nu, bet kai kuriuos žodžius pataiko.
They actually can all be real, I think. It's very well done. Galim iš naujo pažiūrėti.
Taigi šitas tikrai tikras.
Bet, nu jo, žiauriai.
Moving forward, we need to be more vigilant with what we trust from the internet. That's a time when we need to rely on trusted news sources.
Those videos were also made for machine learning and GAN technologies. They are getting better and better. Can you imagine what they might lead to? Just think of a fake video of an influential politician saying he just started a war. Creepy, isn't it? So how can you spot manipulations like these? There are a few possibilities. Be cautious with things you see and hear online. Have other sources talked about it, quoted it? Who is sharing the footage? Who released it? Observe the mouth of the speaker. Observe the gestures. Do they go along with what the person is saying? Observe the eyes. Are the eyelids and pupils moving? The photos are also very realistic, but not yet perfect. Is the face symmetric? Do ears and teeth look realistic? Isn't hair growing in weird parts of the face? Isn't the background surreal? Do the clothes look okay? It's easy to be fooled on the internet, so be careful about what you trust and what you share. The manipulation of the future will be sophisticated, but you can get ready for that.